Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll tell you about few websites through which you can make quick money. So, starting off, did you know you can get paid just for charging your phone? Yes, that's right, just plug in your phone and you can actually make your money. Sounds crazy, right? So, let me just show you some apps that can turn your phone into some really good passive income machine. So, firstly, we have this app named Mode Earn app. So, in this app, as we all know, that this is now known as current music app, and this app basically pays you for listening to music. But here's a hack: you can also earn while charging your phone. So just plug in your phone, play some tunes, some music, and start making money. It's as easy as that. So, moving on to the next website. The next app we have is MB Meter Panel. This runs in the background and collects anonymous usage data from your phone. In return, you get paid. You don't have to do anything. You just keep your phone on, charge it when it is needed, and let the app do its thing. And you'll just earn the money. The next app we have is Dosh and Flash Rewards. Unfortunately, this app is now down. It's not anymore available. On 28 February 2025, this app stopped functioning. But still you can get cashback offers and other things. But right now this app is for sale. This domain is for sale. They are no longer operating. And but this was a nice app. This was a really good app considering you can earn money, you can get cash back rewards while your phone was on charge. So there you have it. Charging a phone can actually put some extra cash in your pocket. So let me know which of these following apps you can go for. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.